Okay, now let us go for this exercise. So the question asks you to find the area of region bounded by two curves, y equals to square root of x and y equals to x. Okay, as we know, in order for you to determine the area between two curves, our formula should be the integrals of a and b for the fx minus with gx dx. So the first part, you need to determine which one will be your fx and gx. As we know, the value of fx must be always greater or equals than gx. So now, which one will be fx, which one will be gx? So here, I don't have any idea to explain it. But in order for you to get the answer, it's better for us to see the drawing of the graph here. So let me use a red pen for it. Okay, let's say here if you have x and y axis, y and x, let's say the first graph I use the color of aqua, y equals to square root of x, so y equals to square root of x, we are going to start from 0 to this part. This is y equals to square root of x graph. And y equals to x is supposed to be a linear graph, so you are going to get here, a linear graph. Right, I need to undo my drawing here. So here you are going to get here y equals to, supposed to be a linear graph. Okay, y equals to x, it's supposed to be a straight line. Yeah. So the region between these two lines is somewhere here. So in order for us to determine the fx and gx, we need to draw a line, a straight line, vertical straight line here. So the upper part here is belong to or lies at the blue color, which is, you can say that the value of your fx is now equals to square root of x, and the bottom one lies at the green color, which is the value of your gx is equals to x. So you can say that now my calculation should be a square root of x minus with x dx. Another issue here is, what is the value of a and b? So we already know the value, the area start from here, which is, we already know that the value of a is 0. But now the issue, what is the value of our x here? So in order to do that, we can see that the value of blue color pen and also green color here are going to intercept each other. So we can try to deal with the calculation of square root equals to x. Try to equate these two equations, fx equals to gx. In other words, you can see that fx now equals to gx. So square root of x equals to x. So you are going to get here square root of x minus with x will be 0. So in my bad, I think this is a bad idea to calculate. I think it's better for us to bring the square root to the other side. So from here you can say that x is equals to x power of 2, because we bring the power square root into the other side, it becomes power. So you can get here x squared minus x, bring x to the other side, is equals to 0. So try to factorize this part. So you're going to get x multiplied by x minus 1 equals to 0. So x equals to 0 and x equals to 1. So here the value of x0 here is 0 here, and the value here is supposed to be 1. So you can say that the value here is supposed to be 1. So you can try to simplify this term. So you are going to get here 0, 1, x power of half minus with x dx. I think the previous video, I think I already show you how to integrate this part. You are supposed to get here 2 over 3 x power of 3 over 2 minus with x squared over 2. So you just need to substitute the value here 0 and 1. So if you try to substitute the value there, you are supposed to get here 2 over 3 minus 1 over 2. The final answer is supposed to be 1 over 6. Okay, you can try to finish it off by yourself here. I just give you the final answer, which is 1 over 6. Okay, we go give you more exercise on this part, so don't worry so much. What you need to do now is to try to understand the concept of it. If you still have a question on it, okay, please can text me using Telegram, or we can have a Zoom session for it. Okay, thank you, class.